Almiraawesomes, I'm Ses. So for today's vlog, it's gonna be another sharing is caring. I'm gonna show you guys how to download Facebook video or video from Facebook without any app. So this is very quick and easy steps. So I hope you bear with me and I hope this video helps to everyone who wanted or like to download anything from Facebook. So first, we need to pull up the Facebook application or the Facebook app. So we have here the video or clip that I wanted to download. So make sure you already have the video. So once you already have it, you just need to click the option on the upper right corner. It's like a 3 dots and you will see the copy link here. So you need to copy the link. Once you already copy the link, we need to exit from this Facebook app. So we need to pull up Facebook into any kind of browser. Mine, I'm gonna use this Chrome, Google Chrome. So here's my Facebook there. So I need to find the video. Here is the video. So I need to click this video. There's a link here on the top. As you can notice, it says m.facebook.com. Please focus on this part because this is the very important thing that we need to do. So from this link, we need to change this one or edit this app. So from m.facebook.com, we need to add mbasic. So the word basic. So we just need to add that mbasic.facebook.com and then we need to enter it. We're gonna go like this and then you need to enough and then you need to long press to the screen so it will gonna show download video. So here you go, you're gonna download the video, click download video and it will start downloading. So here it is. So it will start downloading. We just need to wait for the finished product. So tada! Here's the finished product. So we need to check if it's already downloaded completely. So we need to click it and there you go. Okay. Video. I think on download. Oh no, video. So here it is. Video. Right? What if it's so yeah. That's the quick and easy step. Quick na, easy pa. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching this video or tutorial and I hope more tutorial to come and more sharing episode to come. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and always stay safe. Bye.